Now at 6, who should be allowed inside a women's-only spa where clients are naked? Well, it's a question that has gone from Linwood to the U.S. Supreme Court, where a petition was filed just today requesting the High Court weigh in. Good evening, I'm Preston Phillips.
And I'm Molly Shen. At issue here is access for transgender women. It's a controversial case that centers around Olympus Spa. It's a popular spot offering traditional Korean body scrubs, open soaking pools, and steam rooms in Linwood and Tacoma. KOMO's Michelle Esteban is live in Linwood tonight outside Olympus Spa. Michelle.
Well, Molly and Preston, this has been an ongoing battle for the last 6 years. When a transgender woman says she was denied access to this spa, now it's up to SCOTUS to decide, will they decide who has access about that? In fact, the spa says transgender women can have access, just not all of them.
I understand both perspectives.
It will depend, does the company take both sexes or not? If they don't, I will find it strange and I may not come back.
How would you feel about sharing the space?
I probably wouldn't share it.
At issue, access to transgender women at an all-nude female spa in Linwood and Tacoma. The spa's long-standing policy, transgender women are welcome, but not if they are preoperative or have male anatomy.
We're asking the Supreme Court to review this case on behalf of the Olympus Spa and to hold that a spa that has an all-nude female clientele does not have to allow a male into its nude sauna area simply because he identifies as a woman.
John Burge with Alliance Defending Freedom and the Pacific Justice Institute are both asking the High Court to hear the case and uphold Olympus Spa's policy of excluding males from its nude areas due to privacy and safety. A transgender woman who declined to be interviewed for this story reportedly called the spa in January of 2020 to see if she would be admitted. She said she was told that transgender women who had not undergone surgery would not be admitted, meaning she would be denied entry.
It puts all of those women at risk and it violates their privacy.
The trans woman then filed a complaint with the Washington Human Rights Commission, who ruled a transgender woman cannot be excluded from the woman's facility merely because she is preoperative or has male anatomy. Olympus Spa appealed that decision to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, where it was upheld.
The whole policy, the entry policy that the spa has, is not based on anyone's identity or their gender expression.
If the Supreme Court takes your case and you win, how broadening could the ruling be beyond Washington?
Well, anytime that the Supreme Court rules on a case, it has effect everywhere in the country.
Now, as I mentioned, I did want to speak to that transgender woman. I did reach her by phone today. She said that she is denying all interview requests and declined to make any comment. Now, if the Supreme Court decides to take this case, we could see a ruling sometime next summer, possibly in June. I'll throw it back to you, Molly.
Well, Michelle, there is that if there. What happens next at the Supreme Court level?
Well, I did reach out to the Human Rights Commission today, as well as the Attorney General's office. They've got 30 days to respond. We haven't heard back from them yet, so there's that piece of it. And then it wouldn't be probably until November or December, I'm told by legal experts, that the Supreme Court would actually make a decision. Will they take the case? If they decide to take the case in late fall, then look for them to hear the case sometime in the spring, probably early spring, February, March. And then, as I mentioned, possibly a decision come June.